Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, in today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour, so follow along. I have my wonderful sister behind the camera helping me film this, so shout out to her. I'm just going to start directly beside my door. On this side I have this shelf. I have it decorated a little bit. I like to keep this lamp up here so at night I can read or whatever. And I just have some books and some decor. I also have this super cool alarm clock, which I love, and then a Bible and a hymnal. I have this little moonlight and some other random signs and stuff. If you keep coming this way, I actually have a loft. So underneath it I have this desk. I don't really use the desk, but I do use it for storage. And we're gonna go up on my bed. Okay, so now you get to see on top of my bed. This is where I sleep. I decorated the ladder with some yarn on it, so it's really soft. And then I have tons of cute little throw pillows and blankets all over my bed. I love to be really cozy. And yeah, that's my loft. Directly next to my loft, I have this super cute stuffed animal corner, and I also have this really pretty macrame wall hanging. Next to that, I have this CD player radio. Yes, I'm old school. Do I use it that often? No. But then I also have Bible number 1, some Bible journaling supplies, and this whole container storage thing full of art supplies and CDs. Then if you come next to that even farther, I have a beautiful window. I am not going to open it right now just because I don't feel like it. But then I have this little vanity area. I just have my Bible, some other random stuff, and then I have stuff inside the drawers as well, just pajamas and hair ties and things like that. So if you keep walking this way, I have shelf number 2. It's the exact same type of shelf as I showed earlier in the video. Up top, I have some books that I like, some super cute elephant bookends. Then I have this family camera. Sometimes I take pictures on it. And then I have some books and just some super cute decor. And next up, I have one of my favorite parts of my room, which is the music corner with virtual school. I do hybrid, but I have a music stand in here because I have to play violin, and then I also have my ukulele, guitar, banjolele, and baritone ukulele, as well as some super cute wall decor, some pictures, and some macrame things. Yes, it still says Merry Christmas. I know I need to change it. I also have this 𝐏𝐢𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐦 homebody book because I love interior design, so I'm excited to read that. Next up, I have one of my other favorite parts of my room, which is my desk area. This is where I mainly work and do school and edit. So I have my laptop, a super cute salt lamp, and just some pencil containers, some supplies. And then I have this whole beautiful window of plants. I have an obsession with plants, and I love plants so much. So as you can see, I have my plants and then some Polaroids hanging. Next up, this other corner, I have some more desk supplies right there. Then I have this keyboard, which I don't know how to play, but I just do whatever I feel like. I have this cactus tapestry. Then I have my violin down here. And then I have this wall with just pictures of my friends and just Bible verses and random pictures and song lyrics and stuff like that. So I love that. And then, hey, you can see my sister and I. This is my mirror. I like to have a Bible verse or 2 written there. And then I just have some pictures and things around that. And this door leads to my bathroom, but we're not going to go in there today. Next up, I have a sink built into my room. Yes, I know that's a little bit weird, but it's here, and it is honestly so helpful for getting ready. So I just have things that I need to get ready here. We don't need to go too close to that because it's pretty messy. But I also have my jewelry and my favorite essential oil diffuser. I love this thing. It is so nice. It lasts for hours. And then on here I have my sign language book because I'm trying to learn sign language, so that's a fun fact about me. And then if you go up, I have a TV, which I rarely use, And then I have this fake plant and this super cute tile that says the Lord is my light. And then I also have, I'm not gonna say her name because I don't want to set her off, but I have my Amazon, her name right there. So if you keep coming this way past my diffuser and my sink, I have closet number 1. I have pretty small closets, but this is just a little overview. You can check out my closet cleaning video if you want to see more details of my closet, but that's that. And then I also have some affirmations here, which I look at sometimes. Those are kind of fun. Okay, so once you come past my closet number 1, I have these built-in shelves, which I love just for not only books, but also decor. I love decorating with plants and all sorts of things. And then I have some shoes down here. I have a little sign up here. And I love this. It's a little macrame flower, and it's just perfect for right there. Then if you keep coming here, I have the junk closet. This junk closet just stores, I'm kind of embarrassed of it, it just stores a bunch of stuff, a bunch of boxes, and then it has my hamper in it, so, you know, pretty self-explanatory. I have my ukulele case hanging on that, and then I have a wall of some more Polaroids over here, this chair base, a tripod, an easel, and that's it. Then you're back to my door. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. That is the end for now. Let me know if you guys want like a bathroom tour. It's pretty small, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos from me. And yeah, see you next week.